When you were a kid and you sat down to draw or paint, you didn't think about whether it was good. You didn't wonder if it would turn out. You just played. You picked colors because you liked them. You tried things. You made a mess, and it didn't matter. Somewhere along the way, we start to think of ourselves as artists. When we start sharing our work or selling it or putting it out into the world, it can start to feel a little different. There's a little more pressure to make it look good, to make it work, to get it right. And without even realizing it, that's when we start to lose that sense of play. But the thing is, that place we started from, that's where creativity lives. You can't really play if you're trying to be careful. If you're trying not to mess it up, you stop trying things, you stop exploring, and the painting starts to feel tight. When you let go of that, even just a little, everything opens back up again. You start to follow ideas, try things you weren't sure about, to let the painting move a little. And what you thought might be a mistake sometimes becomes the most interesting part. So maybe it's not about learning something new. Maybe it's just about remembering something old that you're allowed to play. Because at the end of the day, it's just paint. You can explore, you can experiment, you can make a mess again. Creativity lives in play. The next time you sit down to create, I hope you remember to play.